Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Remote Home Security System using GSM, gas sensor, fire sensor, LDR sensor, and PR sensor, and one theft key. So here we are using 8089S52 microcontroller. We are using a C52. So power supply, Max 232 IC, level converter, voltage level stabilization IC, GSM SIM 800L, 3G or 2G SIM card you can use. Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Any SIM card you can use. IR intruder key, LDR sensor, LED output, MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor. Output is exhaust fan, fire alarm, driver IC, exhaust fan, driver IC alarm, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and one PIR sensor, proximity infrared sensor, intruder alert. So let's coming with the hardware part. So here we are using adapter power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here we are using GSM SIM 800L we are using. Here we am using Airtel SIM card. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. 8810C52 microcontroller, 11.0592 MHz crystal, reset IC, Max 232, RS 232 cable, and Max 232 IC, exhaust fan, and it is connected with the BC547 transistor, alarm BC547 transistor, and intruder key MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor. It is connected with P2 cap 6, and it is connected with the P2 cap 3, P2 cap 7 for the intruder sensor. Okay, so LDR fire sensor. Okay, we are going to give the power supply here. GSM, if GSM is connected, okay, everything is no PIR detected. Okay, so GSM okay. So P for PIR, S for smoke, L for LDR, F for fire, I for intruder. Okay, if any intruder is detected, Y intruder is detected. So we are getting the alerts. So somebody inserted the key, and let's go for the gas. Okay, gas, smoke. Okay, smoke or gas, exhaust fan is on. Okay, alert came. Okay, smoke detected. Okay, now I am giving the fire. Fire, yes. So we will get alert. Yeah, fire occurred. So intruder, PIR equal yes, Y. Somebody entered into the house, it will come. It will received. Okay, intruder, yes. It is sending two messages, two persons. Okay, somebody inserted the key. Okay, gas, blue color LED is on. Exhaust fan is on. So LDR is low, that's why LED is on. If LDR should be high, that LED should be off, it will say. So now I am okay. So now LDR, heavy light it's require, heavy sunlight require. So I will go for the torch light. Okay, yeah, torch light, yeah, LED is off. Okay, torch light on. Lights off, lights off. So PIR sensor, smoke sensor, intruder, light LDR sensor, fire sensor, intruder. 8051 max 232 alarm, exhaust fan, GSM SIM 800L, LM3 324 op amp IC, LDR sensor, fire sensor, power supply module, PIR sensor, MQ2 gas sensor, theft key.